Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up Cash App, so let's get right into it. Now, setting Cash App up is very easy, and for this, I'll be using the support article because I don't have access to it, sadly. It's not available in my region, but it is a short enough process, which is very well written in this support article. So let's get right into it. Now, to set up Cash App, all you need to do is download it, create an account, connect it to your bank account, and then add cash to your Cash App. And I'll just go into more detail in these steps right here. So to download it, you just need to go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it directly to your mobile device. Then you just need to launch the app, and to create an account, enter the phone number or email address you want. Then Cash App will send you a code via text or email, which you need to enter, and then you can invite friends to sign up with Cash App to earn cash if you want to. Then once you're done with that, you need to enter your debit card info to link your bank account to Cash App, and then you just need to pick a cash tag, which is a unique username you'll use to send and receive money. Then you just need to enter your zip code, and after that, Cash App is set up. Then if you want to add cash, you can launch the app, tap the bank icon in the lower left of the corner of the banking tab, tap the add cash button, enter the amount of cash you want to add, and then the green add button, and you should get money into your Cash App. Then to send or receive money, you just need to tap the dollar sign, enter the amount you want, then tap request or pay to search for a cash tag, then enter a phone number or email address as well if you want. You can search with either of those three. Then you can add a note if you want, and then tap request or pay to complete the transaction. You can also do other things such as cash out, get the Cash App card, which is useful, so I'll go over that, how you can do that. To order a card, you just need to click on the card tab, which is the second left tab at the bottom of the screen, then select get free card, select continue, and then follow the steps. You do need to be 13 plus to sponsor an account, or 18 and older to apply for a card, and you will need to verify your identity by entering your name, date of birth, and your last four digits of your social security number. However, it might take the full social security number in select regions, so keep that in mind. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Then once you have a Cash App set up, you can use it to pay for a variety of different things, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.